What up, YouTube? Well, today we're gonna go outside and finally put on these bad boys. I got some Whiteline tie rods. I did install my a brand new lower control arm. I would have made a video of that, but obviously, as you can see my face, I was fighting that bitch and I was getting pissed off, and I didn't want to film all that. So we're gonna film something cool and fun to do and real easy. Basically, yeah, I already have the passenger tie rod off the car, so it's gonna be easier for the first one, and then we'll get the second one done, and that's pretty much it. So let's go outside, let's get on to working, I guess. Okay, so as you can see, I put a new lower control arm on. I totally forgot to turn this off. This is cool. It has like little clip, and it's magnet. It's pretty cool. I like that. But yeah, so pretty easy. You'll take a 14 mil bolt off there, 14 mil off the sway arm, and that's it. Just be careful with this. This rotates while the nut rotates, so you kind of have to clamp that on somewhere. But okay, so it was pretty easy. Like I said, already had it off, but basically you want to put this one on first, or actually what I did was I put this one on first. Obviously this little bump stop, or little, I guess, hard. I think this is just here to keep the wires in. Okay, whatever. Well, I got this one tightened first. I had the jack stand under the control arm, lifted it all the way up till this one could get a line, tighten that one out, and then yeah, so now they're all fully tight. I can drop this down, put the wheel back on, and we'll do it on the driver's side. Okay, so we got the wheel off, we got the old one off right here. I think this one it's like the same size, but that's pretty much it. Obviously it's gonna be more like this. There you go. But yeah, one of these was like really stripped. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but as you can see, like one of the bolts was getting stripped off. And then this one was like totally loose. It wasn't even like tightened on there. So you might want to put some like Loctite on here. I'm not sure if you should or not, but that one coming loose is kind of scaring me a bit. Oh well. Let's put this one in and go from there. Okay, so we got the Whiteline tie rod ends on. We got the Coney yellows with Tanabe lowering springs, and we're all good. Replaced the passenger side lower control arm. Now to get everything back on, and yeah, we're all good for an alignment. Honestly though, when I did replace the lower control arm over here, it did not seem to push the wheel more this way. Last time when I got alignment, they said the wheel was actually pushed back a little more, which still kind of sounds like the case, because I can barely only put 3 fingers right around here, not 4. And once, obviously, I'm gonna put the tire on there, lower it down. This, you're gonna totally see where I can put 4 fingers and still clear with the wheel on there. So let's get everything back on, and I'll kind of show you what I'm talking about. And here you guys go. Woo-wee! Looks pretty good, man. Car's coming along aggressively. Oh man, there's just one more thing I'm excited for. 2 more things eventually. Kind of want to get these headlights opened up Put some halos, LEDs in there. That would be dope. But yeah, that's it, y'all. That's how Speed 3 is looking right now. Looking hella aggressive. I'm just waiting on a few more things. That's pretty much it. Okay, so we got the lower control arm done. We got the tie rod ends done. But this side is still backed. This wheel's still backed up a little more, as you can see. Like maybe 2 fingers can fit right here. And if you go on the driver's side, I think my frame is bent. I'm not too sure. I need to take it to somewhere else. But as you can see, I can literally have like 3 fingers easy on the driver's side. I thought changing the lower control arm would fix that. Obviously, it hasn't. You can totally tell this one's pushed back still a little more. If you guys have any suggestions on what else I should do, I'm probably just gonna take it to a suspension shop and see if they can fix that. Well, that was pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like and a comment down below. See what I could maybe do next. Did tie rods, that lower control arm, it's still not fixing the problem. So if you guys have any suggestions or what to do, yeah, just let me know in the comments section below. And other than that, I'll see you guys till next time. Peace.